Good morning, students. Today we will study about editing in MS Excel. So, dear children, you have learned that Microsoft Excel is the most popular package to organize, calculate, and analyze data, plot charts in a spreadsheet format. Fact file: in 1982, Microsoft released its first spreadsheet package under the brand name Multiplan. In 1987, Microsoft replaced it by launching the MS Excel spreadsheet package. Some important office operations in MS Excel are following: option purpose given here in the side, and next side given here steps to use the option. New command has to create a new workbook. What is the use of new command? So new command has to create a new workbook, and steps to use this option: click on Microsoft Office button or new, or click on button on the quick access toolbar, or shortcut keys given here Control plus A. So students, one question you can create here: what is the shortcut key of new command? So you have to write here, given here shortcut keys of new command is Control plus N. Okay. Now second option given here, save as command. Save as a workbook by a new name at a given location. And steps to use this option: open the required file and click MS Office button, then save, or it will display the save as dialog box. Select the location to save location of a file, give a suitable file name, click on save button. If you want to save your file to another places or another name, then you have to use this save as command. Then given here, save command has to save a file or the change made to an already saved file. Click on MS Office button or save, then save, or click on the save on the quick access toolbar. And what is the shortcut keys to save any file? The answer is Control plus S. Open command has to open a saved file in the Excel application window, and steps to use this option: click on MS Office button, then open, and second is given here, the open dialog box will appear. Select the location where the file is located, select the file, click on open button, or shortcut keys for this open command is Control plus O. Control plus O is the shortcut key to open any file or folder. Okay, students. Now next, page number 60. Print command helps to print a workbook on paper. Click on MS Office button, then print. The print dialog box appears on the screen. Select what you want to print, enter the required information, click on the OK button, and shortcut key of this print command is Control plus P. Close command has to close the current active workbook file, and click on MS Office button for this. Then after close, or click on the button on menu bar, close button, it is the sign of close. Okay, button on menu bar, and shortcut keys for this button is, or close of command is Control plus A4. Exit command closes the Excel application window, and the shortcut keys for this option is Alt plus A4. Click on MS Office button after exit, or click on close button on the title bar. Shortcut keys, I told to you that what is this given here, Alt plus A4 is the shortcut key for exit command. Now it is the time to learn some more features of MS Excel, such as selecting cells, editing contents, autofill using custom list, creating custom list, etc. So above given all shortcut keys or option is very important, student. You should learn this all option and their function. Okay. Now next given here, selecting cells. In a worksheet, we often need to select a single cell. All the cells in the worksheet, group of cells or cells of row and column to perform any action on them. To select a single cell, click the center of the cell. A thick border appears around the cell. This is the active cell as given in this paragraph or the picture. Active cell, which is this is black borders, which is surrounding. Okay, it is cell is called active cell. Where is okay dark surrounding or dark line is showing there. This is active cell. To select all the cells in a worksheet, press Ctrl+A from keyboard. To select a range of cells, click the first cell of the range, hold the mouse button and drag to the last cell or select the first cell, then hold down the shift key and click on the last cell of the range. To select non-adjustment cells, click on the cell, then hold down Ctrl key while you click on other cells for selection, then click on the cell you want to select. Okay, to select the non-adjustment row, hold down Ctrl key with selected row by mouse. Then that will be already selected. Okay, understood how you select the cell? Given here step for this only. So you know about this, and if any doubt, then consult it into meeting. Then editing cells. In case you want to edit the entered data into a cell, then what you have to do, double click on the required cell. A cursor will appear in the cell. Edit the cell content either by overwriting or by modifying them partially. Tips: when you select a range, the selected range becomes dark with a border around it, as I told to you in the previous page. Okay. Overwriting data of a cell. To edit a cell by overwriting, follow this steps. Step number 1, select the cell that you want to edit either by clicking over it or using the cursor control keys. Arrow keys on the keyboard. Step 2, type in the new content. Step 3, press the enter key on the keyboard or click the enter button on the formula bar. You will see that the new data replace the existing contents of the selected cell. Okay, what is telling here? Select the cell that you want to edit either by clicking over it or using the cursor control keys, that is arrow keys on the keyboard. Through this you can edit a cell by overwriting. Okay. Now type step 2, type in the new contents, and step 3, press the enter key on the keyboard or click the enter button right on the formula bar. You will see that the new data replace the existing contents of the selected cells. So it is about editing cells. Okay. Now next topic we will see in next video. Okay. So you understood it, and create one-liner question answer from this paragraph or chapter, and if any doubt, then consult it into meeting.